asking about the differences here between, and this is on the licensing side, between an exclusive patent license agreement and a non-exclusive one. It's a great question, and I will say right up front, we don't generally work on licensing agreements. We just brought on an attorney that does some of this, so we don't have a whole breadth of experience. We usually focus on just getting bold patents, right? But when you get into a licensing agreement, the cool thing is with patents, you get 4 big rights: the right to make it, use it, sell it, and import it. So you get to prevent anyone in the country from doing those 4 things. And so you get to license those 4 if you want, transfer the rights to another party or multiple parties. So exclusive really just means you're locking in on one. You're saying you are the only manufacturer that is going to be allowed to use or to be allowed to make this product in the country. If you do that, you're putting a lot of eggs in one basket. And so I would say, I mean, Matt, you can help me with this, but I would say you want to make sure there's a performance clause that if they decide to shelf this and not make it, you're going to be able to get out of the contract and just watch it. You have to manage it more. The big upside with exclusive is that usually they are on the hook for infringement protection. So if there is an infringement down the road, they may be able to, contractually obligated to help you enforce the rights because they're really vested too. You're the only manufacturer that's able to sell it. Non-exclusive, as you may guess, is where there's not an exclusive deal. You have multiple manufacturers, multiple retailers, and you can still make royalties from any of them. So that's the main difference there. Matt, anything on the trademark side to mention?
No, well, very similar, in the sense that exclusive license, you can license the brand to just one group or one individual. And then if you have a non-exclusive license, then you can have multiple sellers or users of the brand. Yeah, same thing.